I got a recent comment and question on my main channel from Pamela. Did you make a video tutorial on how to use Heygen? If so, I'd like to see that. Thank you. Well, thank you, Pamela, and I have not done it yet. I'm actually using the program Heygen, which is a pretty cool AI platform. I'm actually using it to test a Pinterest affiliate marketing idea that I had. And I'll quickly show you what Heygen does and quickly show you how I'm using it. And there will be a full video on this once I have some results on my main channel. But for this video, let's check out Heygen and let's check out how I'm using it to try to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing.
This better be good.
Okay, so if you go to heygen.com and sign up, you will have access to the dashboard here and you will get credits depending on which level you signed up at. So right now I have 25 credits left, and you can see that 25 credits equals about 25 minutes of video, and I'm making really short, less than 1 minute videos, so each credit essentially is a video for me. But this program does a lot of different things. So it does a video avatar, so you can just create kind of talking heads. You can kind of pick which avatar you want. You can go to the AI studio with it. You can insert a script, and then that script will be translated to this person actually speaking that script. And then you can add text and add elements and add your own assets in here. So you're essentially using this to build videos with someone else's face talking instead of your own.
We should probably do that.
So that's one of the main things that Heygen normally does. It's usually an AI avatar maker. You can also view all the different AI voices. Here is the actual AI studio, and you can actually start with some of their templates. So you can click on a template that you like, go to the AI studio, and then you can modify that template. You can modify the AI person talking or the different slides, the different text. So it's just a way for you to create videos without actually you being the star of the video.
I want to be a star!
And all that stuff is great. It also has video translations if you want to translate your videos into different languages. It also has instant highlights, meaning if you drop let's say you did a 1 hour podcast and you drop the URL to that podcast video in here, it will auto detect it and it'll try to find highlight videos that you can use. So you cut up your long form content into shorts to use on different social medias. So all that stuff is great, but the reason why I did a video on this and the reason why I was talking about Heygen was because of this feature called URL to ads. Now I do a lot of shoppable videos in my Amazon influencer business, in my TikTok shop affiliate program testing. I put shoppable videos on YouTube. I'm even testing YouTube shoppable videos right now, or the YouTube affiliate program right now. All that stuff's very cool, and I wanted to test Pinterest.
Well, let's see then.
So what I was doing essentially is using this URL to ads to find products that I think are really cool. So example, this Stanley Cup. All you have to do is go to Amazon, find a link to that Stanley Cup, paste that link in here and hit generate video, and you get to choose which avatar you want. So you can choose from all these different people here. Who do you want to be kind of the front person or the person talking? And then it'll automatically pull images from that listing and put them into the video as well. And it looks very believable. Let's look at one of these real quickly.
Do you have a Stanley Flow State tumbler, the dream tumbler for your hydration needs? This thing is amazing.
See, it looks actually really convincing to me. It's one of the better programs that I've ever seen doing this. So my thought was this: I went to Pinterest and I started making videos, and also image pins, but I started making videos for specific products. And I also have a blog where I am also creating articles and then creating pins based on those articles. So you can actually pick an article here like cute summer nail art designs. You can not only use Amazon product, but you can also use like your own blog. This is a WordPress blog. It may need to be specific to WordPress, but you can also copy and paste your WordPress blog into here as well and generate one of these videos based on the images in your blog post, and based on the text, it's going to create its own script and everything for you, ready to go. So let's do one of these live here.
I can't wait.
Okay, so here's a post. I used AI in order to create this post and create the images for it. So here is an image, and then it is the home bedroom refresh ideas. Make your bedroom great again in 2024. And if you want to know where I got the idea for this, when you open up Pinterest and go right to your business hub, it will show you some of the pins that are working for you, and it'll show you some things that are increasing. There's a whole trend page you can look at. So if you go over to, here we go, home bedroom refresh ideas is up 400%. So I log into this, I look and see that home bedroom refresh is up 400%. So I go to ChatGPT and say, hey, ChatGPT, write me an article about home bedroom refresh ideas, and also include images. So it wrote this for me and it created all of the images for me. And then I went in and added added products for each one of these. So this is update your bedding, a nice AI picture of bedding, and then I put in Amazon links to bedding. Same thing with add greenery, then Amazon links to the different plants, so on and so forth. So I have this blog post right here. So now what I would do is I would copy that blog post. I would go to Heygen URL to add. I would put the blog post in there and I would ask it to generate a video, and it's pretty darn quick, but it'll take a minute here.
We don't have all day.
Okay, so now you come to this new page here where it is going to grab the product name. It's going to grab the product descriptions from what it found on your website, and it is also going to grab media. Now, it works really well with Amazon products, but with a WordPress URL, a lot of times it doesn't pull the right stuff. So it did get the product name. So home bedroom refresh ideas, make your bedroom great again in 2024. I would get rid of this. I would make sure there's no logo in here, but the product details, it's pulling basic stuff from the website, not specifically from the actual article. So I'm going to specifically pull it from the article, and I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to get rid of a lot of this media that it found that doesn't really make any sense. Again, it's just pulling it from other parts of the website. And again, if you use a URL to Amazon, it doesn't have these issues. These are just little quirks that you need to do if you're using your own WordPress blog. So anyway, the product description is in there. Maybe we can even add more to it by adding the conclusion here, right? And now there's lots of these different images in here, and we'll hit next. And then it'll ask you for whether or not you want to use a custom script. You can go to ChatGPT and have it write a custom script, or let Heygen itself write the script. I just let them do it, but it also has some target audiences. So maybe homeowners, interior design enthusiasts. So I leave these default and hit next, and it's going to create a script for us. Not only a script, but multiple scripts, in fact.
That is mighty nice of them.
Okay, so here you go. It asks you to choose one of the scripts. It gives you a few options here. So one is noisemaker, and then you can read through this. One is a narrative arc. One is inspiring. One is a quick demonstration. And you can also click on these things, go in here and edit it if you want to edit it. So let's read one of these real quick. So that's fine with me. I'm not really super specific about it. I would sometimes go in and add a hook and add a call to action. So maybe I will do that. I'll add a call to action. Don't miss out. Click the link in this pin to see all the refresh ideas, because we want them essentially to click on our link and go to our website, because that's where our affiliate links are. So we'll save the changes on that, and then we'll hit next. Okay, now it allows us to customize it. So we get to choose which kind of template we want, and you can click on these and see what each one of them do. So floating avatar, you can see what it looks like here.
Ever wondered how life could be with home bedroom refresh ideas?
So here's another simple one with kind of a dark background.
Ever wondered how life could be with home bedroom refresh ideas?
So that one looks kind of nice to me, but you can go in and change the avatar if you want a different person, if you want a male or a different female in here. All of that is fine. You can also add music here if you want, so you can listen to it. We'll just go ahead and have that in there as well. And then you can also put captions on here. So you can select the template, the avatar, the music, and whether or not you want captions on. Then you can also go in and customize it if you don't like something, like, let's say, you know, one of the images you want to go in and change. You can customize that if you want to, but I have been essentially just letting it do what it does. Captions on, avatar, music, and then submit the video. Your ads video is being generated. Okay, and then you can go back to your home screen and you can see the percentage. So this one is 3% ready. So you go get yourself a drink and wait a few minutes and that'll be done. And these turn out to be like a 1-minute video or a 45-second video somewhere in there, and it takes probably about 5 minutes or so for it to completely render so you can download it. But if I had to actually go in and even just make a simple video like this and put in an AI avatar and put in a green screen and find the images, I mean, it would take me an hour or so at least. So it does save a lot of time. And if you don't want to sit on this page, you can scroll away from it and it'll send you an email eventually when the video is rendered.
So what do we do now?
Okay, after a good 5 minutes or so, the video will be ready and you can click on it and you can view it and you can download it. Home bedroom refresh ideas onto my desktop. Then I go over to Pinterest, and remember, home bedroom refresh idea is the keyword I'm trying to go for, and Pinterest is essentially a search engine. So people will put that into the search bar. You want to show up for that. So I would go to ChatGPT and I would say, write me a Pinterest title and description for the keyword phrase home bedroom refresh, right? Which was the keyword that we saw is way up. So that'll spit that out for us. So then I would just go to Pinterest and I would create a pin and I would upload that home bedroom refresh. I would take the title, I would take the description, and then the link is the article that we wrote on our blog or wherever you want to try to send the traffic to, where you're going to be able able to monetize it. So for me, it is that article that I wrote, choose the board, room refresh. I have a board for it. So then add some tags, right? And then simply publish it. And I'm also testing doing just images as well. You can see that there's lots of like images in here also. They're just usually easier to make, but it turns out if you look through a lot of these stats, you will see that the videos tend to get more views. Like this one got 112 views, which is great. This one got 537 views and 6 people clicked on the pin. So it does look like videos from Heygen are creating a little bit more of an opportunity than just images are. And I'm going to talk about this way more on my main channel once I actually have some stats that I can give you. Right now I'm just very new into this and I'm just kind of testing this thing, but you expressed interest in this Heygen and I thought maybe it would be a good opportunity to explain exactly how to use this platform or exactly how I'm using this platform and what you can do with things like this. Like I'm testing Pinterest affiliate marketing by doing this. So there you go. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching the video and I will see you in the next one.
Not a chance.